Okay, I'm getting ready to put some ribs in the oven. I'm gonna show you how I do it. These come out perfectly. First, I'm gonna show you a little trick here with your foil paper. Make sure when you buy this, push this tab in. Push the tab, it's a tab in on each side. What it is, it holds this in so when you get ready to roll it out, you see, it comes right out. Just a little trick. So we're gonna do this pork loin back ribs. So they had a sale there at HEB. I just bought a pack. It's just me and my wife. I'm gonna eat about that much, and she probably eat one or two. So let's get ready to cook these juicy ribs. Okay, what you want to do is get this membrane off. And it'll come off really easy once you get started. And the best way to do this is just get a piece of paper towel and you can get a good grip on this. And what you want to do is just, okay, once you got your membrane peeled off, do the best you can. You see all my seasoning. And I'm gonna tell you what, the only seasoning you really need is this right here. This Texas style smoked ribs. That's all you need. I put this on brisket and everything, but I like to get mine a little spicy and a little more garlic to it. Only thing you do, you just season it up. Just go down. I put a little bit of this garlic. I love garlic with parsley. Can't beat it. Texas Tonys. Everybody in Texas use Tonys. You don't need too much Tonys. My red pepper. I always spice it up with my red pepper. I like my food spicy. I heard spicy food was good for you anyway. Hamburger deluxe. Good on everything. It don't matter. Your eggs, it doesn't matter. Just put a little bit. It's more just salt and pepper in this hamburger deluxe. You know, sprinkle a few bees on it. My red pepper crushed. You know, my Worcester, I guess that's how you say it. Just sprinkle that on it, give it a little flavor there. Now I'm about to get another bottle of this. I got another one. Just rub that in and just turn it on the other side and do the same thing. So I'm gonna flip it. Go down this. Massaging it in. Not too much Tonys, just a little bit. Put all the red pepper you want. I just like mine spicy. Little hamburger deluxe. And I'm gonna show you what ingredients in here. You see you got the garlic, onion, salt. So this stuff, if you haven't used it before, just try it on anything. It's good, you'll like it. And it really don't make your stuff salty. It's just a good season. and my crushed peppers. Now, if you want to, you can cut some onion and garlic up and put it in here. And the only thing what I'm gonna do, I already got my oven being heated up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this. I'm gonna cook this at 300 degrees for 2.5 hours. Then once I do that, I'm gonna take it off and put some of my barbecue sauce on it and cook it for another 10 minutes on high broil, just to brown it a little bit. But check this out. You just go ahead and wrap it in that foil. That's it. So we fit to put it in the oven. Got my little rack here. And what I'm gonna do, just put a little water on the bottom of this. There we go. So in 2.5 hours, we're gonna come back. We're gonna see what we got. We're gonna take it out the foil. We're gonna put a little barbecue sauce on it and let it brown for about 10 minutes. And we'll be ready to eat. I'm hungry too. Take them out. Right now I'm fit to take them out, and I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it and put it back on for 10 minutes on broil. Ooh. That is hot and juicy. Go ahead and put my barbecue sauce on. That's what I'm trying today. I don't have no brush, so I'm gonna just use this. I'm hungry. I shouldn't be cooking while I'm hungry. And I'm gonna flip this. See, I'm gonna just leave the juice at the bottom. See if I can zoom in there for you. The bone's already coming out. Already tender. If you had a brush, it'll go on smoother, but I'm just using what I got. I'm trying to cook this before I go to teach my class tonight. And just see. Oh yeah, look at that. Go ahead and try that. Lord have mercy. Come on, let me put this in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on broil, and I'm gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. "10 minutes, and we're gonna take it out and see what we got." Be careful with this. Oh, look at this. Man. I know it got some spice to it. Let me just see one of these bones. And I'm gonna let it cool for rest for about 10 minutes. Oh, look at that. And the weather outside is raining, so I ain't got time to go out there. So I did it in the grill. I mean in the oven. Watch this bone. It's what you want right there. This is what you want. I didn't want it to fall apart. I just want it this just right. It's not too tender. It's not falling apart. As you can see, I'm lifting it up. You can see it may break if I lift it. It's trying to break right there. As you can see them bones coming apart. That's exactly what I want. Oh, man. Look at that. And I'm just doing this with one hand. I ain't holding it with nothing. Mm-hmm. Let's go right here. And this knife dull. So you look at it, it's just slicing right through. Let's get this piece right here. That's it. And I'm gonna put a couple of pieces on my plate and I'm gonna give it a try. All right, this is my plate right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm finna dig in on these ribs and see what we got here. You can see, oh my goodness. It said 3 hours, 2.5 hours at 300 degrees, and then take it out, unwrap it, and go for 10 minutes on broil. Let's see. Ooh, got a little spice to it. Oh, just great. And it's raining outside, and I can't fire up the grill, so straight in the oven. You're ready in about 3.5 hours. I was fit to take a bite of that salad, but I don't know. Look at that. Huh. Watch. Perfect. It holds on to the bone. If you cook it 5 or 10 minutes more, it won't be right. Or 5 or 10 minutes less, won't be right. It's just right. I'm gonna eat one more. Just too good. I might save my wife a couple of them. Perfect. I wasn't going to the class, I have a cold beer with this one. Well, that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.